Get a single punch early in the fight in an instant. Imagine you spend months hitting the gym or perfecting home workouts. Your physique is sculpted. You stand over 6 feet tall, and you've never looked fitter. Yet one evening outside a London pub, you lock eyes with someone shorter, less muscular, and suddenly you're flat on your back. What went wrong? Because they knew how to fight, and you didn't. Imagine in 21, why self-defense matters for today's teens. Right now in the UK and across English-speaking nations, unpredictable street encounters can happen when you least expect them. After-school meetups, TikTok hangouts, or nights out in Manchester's northern quarter. Learning to protect yourself isn't about being violent. It's about confidence and safety. Whether you're a boy or a girl, mastering simple, effective moves could be the difference between walking away or getting hurt. Machin and Tooney, beyond moves, mastering your mindset. Technique alone won't save you if panic takes over. In real fights, adrenaline spikes, and your freeze response can lock you up. Hands stiffen, vision narrows, even deers can start. Champions train both body and mind. 3-second breathing drill. Inhale for 3 seconds, hold 3, exhale 3. Instantly calms your mind. 360-degree scan. Don't stare at one point. Take in your whole environment and your opponent's stance. Mental rehearsal. Each morning, stand in front of your mirror and visualize staying calm and delivering your moves with precision. Imagine in 3. Move number 1. The ear slap shockwave. A flat hand strike to both temples. Think of it like a double tap for your opponent's balance. At full force, it disrupts the eardrums, knocks them off center, and buys you 3 to 4 seconds of precious time. UFC fighters use this in drills. You can too. No gym required. Imagine in 4. Mover 2. The collarbone crusher. Break the fight by breaking the collarbone. With your elbow or a hammer fist, drive downward on their collarbone. Land it right, and their arm goes useless. In close quarters, like a crowded bus stop. This quick technique ends threats fast. Imagine in 5. Move number 3. The side knee spike. Everyone knows the groin strike. But if they defend that, aim for the side of the knee instead. A sharp knee to the outer knee ligament can drop them instantly. No fancy martial arts background needed. Just practice angles in your bedroom or garden. Imagine in 6. Mover 4. The jawbreaker. One well-placed punch to the chin is your knockout button. Boxers and MMA pros swear by it. A solid cross that snaps the jaw, shakes the brain, and ends the fight.